Hi.
Howdy. Definitely a couple unhappy cylinders for sure.
You want to try to move it?
All right, let's get her moved.
Yep. It's not happy.